Today, we are excited to bring you top 12 coolest gadgets on Amazon. We cover topics about Amazon products and gadgets on a regular basis on our channel. Make sure you subscribe so you won't miss any updates from us. iLick. iLick is the perfect companion for both kids and adults who love pets, with abundant emotions, idle animations, and interactive features. There are also other fun mini-games. Abundant interaction. Place on the desktop and experience iLick's world of emotions with just a touch. The head, belly, and back, each of which triggers different emotions. With a variety of expressions waiting to be discovered, you can also lift it or gently tap its head. Gentle or temperamental, it all depends on your interaction. Best of all, no need for Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connections. Just power on and play with him whenever you want. Mocap X. Mocap X is a cutting-edge motion capture system that revolutionizes animation and virtual reality experiences. This state-of-the-art technology captures every nuance of movement with unparalleled precision, translating real-world actions into digital perfection. Its ergonomic design ensures user comfort and freedom of movement, while the advanced sensors guarantee accuracy for lifelike animations. With Mocap X, creatives and developers can seamlessly bridge the gap between reality and the digital realm, opening new frontiers in gaming, filmmaking, and virtual simulations. Elevate your projects with Mocap X, where innovation meets the limitless potential of immersive motion capture. Teatronics LED Lamp. The Teatronics LED lamp is a beacon of modern illumination, seamlessly blending functionality with contemporary design. With adjustable brightness levels and color temperatures, this lamp caters to diverse lighting needs for work or relaxation. Its sleek, space-saving design features a flexible arm and rotatable lamp head for customizable lighting angles. Equipped with convenient touch controls and a USB port for device charging, the Teatronics LED lamp harmoniously combines style and practicality. Elevate your workspace or living area with this versatile lighting solution, enhancing productivity and ambience with a touch of modern sophistication. FunSnap. Introducing the FunSnap new hanging neck electric fan, a cutting-edge solution for personalized and hands-free cooling. Designed for comfort, this portable fan features a hanging neck design, allowing users to enjoy a refreshing breeze while on the move. With adjustable fan speed settings, it provides customizable airflow to suit individual preferences. The lightweight and ergonomic design ensure ease of use, making it an ideal companion for outdoor activities, travel, or daily tasks. Embrace the future of cooling convenience with the FunSnap, where innovation meets comfort for a breeze of relaxation in any situation. Hohem iSteady V2. The Hohem iSteady V2 is a revolutionary gimbal stabilizer, redefining handheld videography with advanced features. Compact and versatile, it provides seamless stabilization for smartphones and action cameras, ensuring smooth footage even in dynamic environments. With multiple shooting modes, including pan follow, lock, and vortex, it caters to various creative needs. Its ergonomic design and user-friendly controls enhance the filming experience. Additionally, the iSteady V2 boasts an impressive battery life, allowing extended usage for uninterrupted shooting. Elevate your videography game with the Hohem iSteady V2, where stability meets innovation for stunning, shake-free videos on the go. 7Hug Smart Remote. The 7Hug Smart Remote is a game-changer in home automation, offering an intuitive and seamless control experience. This cutting-edge remote adapts to your environment, effortlessly managing multiple devices with its touchscreen interface. Its innovative smart location technology detects the device you're pointing at, ensuring precise control without manual selection. Compatible with thousands of devices, the 7Hug Smart Remote simplifies your home control, transforming your living space into a connected and responsive environment. With its sleek design and user-friendly interface, it's the ultimate solution for streamlined and smart home management. EchoSpot. The Echo Spot is a compact smart speaker with a built-in screen, combining Alexa's voice assistance with visual capabilities. Its round display provides at-a-glance information, weather updates, and video calling, all seamlessly controlled by voice commands. With a sleek design, the Echo Spot fits into any room, offering hand-free convenience for smart home control, entertainment, and communication. The device brings together the power of voice recognition and visual feedback, making it an ideal bedside companion or compact hub for managing your smart home ecosystem with a touch of futuristic elegance. Cricut Joy Machine. The Cricut Joy Machine is a compact and versatile cutting tool that brings creativity to life. Designed for simplicity, this smart cutting machine is perfect for quick and easy DIY projects. With the ability to cut a variety of materials, it allows for personalized creations such as labels, decals, cards, and more. The Cricut Joy Machine boasts a user-friendly interface, making it accessible for beginners while offering advanced features for seasoned crafters. Elevate your crafting experience with this portable and efficient tool, turning your ideas into reality with precision and ease. Wireless Charger Atmosphere Lamp. The wireless e-charger speaker alarm clock equipped with a 10W mobile phone wireless fast charging function. You can charge your smartphone by putting it on the desk lamp, which is really convenient and practical. Note: the mobile phone must have wireless charging function and must be plugged in. Smart Bluetooth speaker. Wireless connectivity for answering and making calls. The G-shaped LED wireless charge speaker lamp delivers clear sound for a better music experience. With the upgraded G design, this smart lamp is not only an ambient light but also a speaker, music player, sleep light, atmosphere light, bedside lamp, colorful light display, Bluetooth speaker system, clock, and alarm. You can use this excellent desk lamp for work, study, reading, and sleep. Pop-out outlet. The pop-out outlet is a sleek and practical solution for modern electrical needs. Designed to blend seamlessly into your decor, this innovative outlet pops out when needed and neatly tucks away when not in use. With multiple socket options, it provides flexibility for various devices and charging needs. Ideal for kitchens, offices, and living spaces, the pop-out outlet offers a clutter-free and aesthetic solution to power access. Upgrade your space with this discreet and functional electrical outlet, where convenience meets design for a modern and efficient power solution in any room. Nanoleaf Light Panels. Nanoleaf light panels redefine home lighting with their futuristic design and customizable illumination. These modular, triangular LED panels allow users to create personalized light patterns and dynamic color scenes, transforming walls into interactive art. With touch-sensitive controls and integration with smart home ecosystems, Nanoleaf light panels offer a unique and immersive lighting experience. Perfect for enhancing ambience, the panels are energy efficient and easily mountable. Elevate your space with this innovative lighting solution, where technology and design converge to bring a new level of creativity and atmosphere to your home or workspace. Divum Pixa Bluetooth Pixel Art. The Divum Pixa Bluetooth Pixel Art display is a fusion of creativity and technology. This compact and versatile device lets you design and display pixel art animations using its user-friendly app. With Bluetooth connectivity, it doubles as a speaker, providing both visual and auditory stimulation. Perfect for personalizing your space, the Pixu adds a touch of uniqueness to any environment. Whether showcasing pixel art designs or playing your favorite tunes, this device elevates the ambience with a harmonious blend of visual and audio aesthetics for a truly immersive and customizable experience. You can purchase all products by checking our description box. Thank you for watching this gadget-filled adventure. Stay tuned for more exciting discoveries and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to never miss out on the latest tech trends.